We're currently in Doberdò del Lago, 7 kilometers from the airport, 29 from Grado and 33 from Trieste. What we're about to introduce is a charming detached house, basically in the middle of nowhere, meaning that there's only nature around. This little villa still smells like new. There's nothing you need to change. It's sold fully furnished. On the upper floor there are 2 double bedrooms, 1 single bedroom and a pretty large bathroom. Lower floor has a very large living area, a kitchen and another bathroom. Price is set at 315k. You could spend a couple of weeks a year here for your holiday, maybe in winter because you have a stove, or in summer and enjoy the swimming pool. And whenever you're not using this place, you could rent it out on Airbnb. This could be a great source of income. It's a 20-minute drive to Grado, so you can go there and enjoy the beach. You can head straight down to Slovenia and enjoy a totally different kind of landscape. Check on the link below for the 3D tour of the interiors. Give it a shot. Call us, sales@triestevillas.com. Thank you, Martino. Have a nice day.